Hello Dnation and welcome back. In today's video we're going to be unboxing a 1/12 scale diecast motorcycle replica of the Royal Enfield Classic 350 Airborne Blue edition, which is manufactured by Maisto. And I'm going to be showing you the features and the specifications of this amazing diecast motorcycle replica. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. So, before we get to the good stuff, I want to let you know that the world-renowned motorcycle brand Royal Enfield has once again collaborated with one of the top diecast manufacturers, Maisto, to come up with a fleet of 4 diecast variants of Royal Enfield's most recently released motorcycles. For 2022, Royal Enfield along with Maisto released the Royal Enfield Classic 350 in 4 trademark color variations in the 1/12 scale. And today we're going to take a look at a highly detailed licensed 1/12 scale diecast replica of the Royal Enfield Classic 350 Airborne Blue variant. And although I've unboxed every 1/12 scale RE variant that was released so far, I'm still excited about this one as this licensed replica looks simply elegant, amazing and unique. And I'm in awe every time I unbox one of these. So before we get to the good stuff, let's take a closer look at the boxing and get this thing open. So, to begin with, my first thoughts about this Royal Enfield Classic 350 Airborne Blue variant diecast replica is that it looks quite premium and has a good build quality, and also has quite a bit of intricate detailing like its real life counterpart. And by the looks of it, this model is manufactured mostly of diecast and a few components made of ABS plastic, which makes it a premium looking replica. So getting down to a few features and specifications, this model measures in at 7 inches in length, 4 inches in height, 2 inches in width and weighs in at about 130 grams, which are standard 1/12 scale diecast motorcycle specs. This model comes with the Royal Enfield trademark Airborne paint job with signature branding details, and also has a kickstand for display, excellent rear suspension and free rolling wheels, which makes it functional, and a lot more intricate details which makes it a licensed authentic collectible. Overall, I'm happy that I made a choice to get this variant of the Royal Enfield Classic, and I'm thrilled to add it to my 1/12 scale Royal Enfield collection. And with that out of the way, let's go ahead and take a closer look at the features and functionality of this amazing 1/12 scale Royal Enfield Classic diecast variant. And please do let me know as to what are your favorite features regarding this awesome diecast replica in the comments below. So let's go ahead and take a look. Well, by the looks of it, all I can say is that this is a beautiful and well-detailed diecast replica of the Royal Enfield Classic Airborne Blue, and I'm glad that I got this variant to add to my 1/12 scale diecast motorcycle collection. So overall, this is a beautiful diecast replica and a definite must-have for any diecast motorcycle collector or hobbyist, especially if you are a Royal Enfield enthusiast. And in case you're interested, kindly find further features, specifications, and the Best Buy link for this diecast replica in the description below. And with that out of the way, let's place this amazing and well-detailed Royal Enfield replica on the Dnation dyno and check out its wheel spin and its functionality. Well, the functionality seems to be perfect and just as beautiful as the highly detailed exteriors, and this amazing Royal Enfield diecast motorcycle replica gets a massive thumbs up from me for its looks as well as for its functionality. So with that being said, let's place this amazing diecast replica on the Dnation turntable and take a look at this diecast beauty in a 360-degree view, and stay tuned for some fun facts on the Royal Enfield Classic Signals 350 coming up. Royal Enfield's story in India began with its first association with the Indian Army some 65 years ago. There has been no slowing down for the motorcycle manufacturer in the country, and the first Royal Enfield motorcycles that arrived in India were meant for use by the Indian Army. Eventually launched for the public, Royal Enfield bikes went to gain such popularity in India that it grew into a cult status. Now Royal Enfield is paying homage to the very emotion connecting with the Indian Armed Forces with the launch of the Royal Enfield Classic 350 Signals. Each Royal Enfield Classic Signals 350 get a unique serial number painted on the fuel tank with the new metallic Royal Enfield badge, and it gets blacked out bits including exhaust, engine cover, rims, handlebars and headlamp bezel. It comes in two color variants, which is the Airborne Blue and the Storm Rider Sand. The Royal Enfield Classic Signals edition pays tribute to the heroes of the Indian Armed Forces who use these bikes on special operations. The Royal Enfield Classic 350 Signals edition also features a tricolor logo with the number 49 on it, which depicts the association between Royal Enfield and the Indian Army, which had been going strong since 1949. The Royal Enfield Classic Signals 350 could be a tribute to the Signals Corps of the Indian Army. And for further information on Royal Enfield Classic 350, kindly check the link in the description below. And just so you know, I got this amazing Royal Enfield Classic diecast replica for a really good price from Hobbytoys, which is one of India's top diecast retailers, of which I dropped the Best Buy link in the description below. So go check it out and get yourself or your loved ones this amazing and one-of-a-kind Royal Enfield diecast replica. And also please do let me know in the comments below as to what are your thoughts regarding this amazing classic Royal Enfield replica. And kindly continue to support Dnation by liking and sharing our videos, as it would really help us out a lot. And this brings us to the end of this episode, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, a like, comment and share would be much appreciated. And kindly support Dnation by subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and click that notification bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. Also do follow us at dnation.in on Instagram for daily diecast previews and updates, and stay tuned for all new and one-of-a-kind episodes coming up. Well, thank you for watching, take care, and I'll see you on the next one.